There we go. Yeah.
So it's leaning towards the house. I'm pretty certain it's going to go that way. I'm trying to think. I could probably get the pole saw out, try it. You know, I don't know if I'd be able to reach up that high, but if I could saw it off way up there where, you know, lies off, then the rest of it I ain't worried about. It'd be just fine. It ain't going to hurt anything. It's just that way up there. See what I mean?
Huh?
I'm going to go get the pole saw, okay?
Yeah.
It's still recording?
Yeah.
Yeah, I used one of these before, but the other one, it was defective. It was broken.
Are you talking about that limb there?
Huh?
Are you talking about that limb?
Yeah, where it lies off up there.
This.
Yeah, that's it. If I can reach it with this. Yeah, I've had this for probably a couple years. Never even used it. That must be that duster thing or something. Look, dump it out. Yeah. Dokapol Go Saw attachment. Okay, that's the blade. See? There's the duster. Dokapol. See?
Mm-hmm.
So, carefully get this out of here. Okay? Duster. So you can use this pole for other things other than cut trees. Remember I had another one of these. I used it, but yeah, it was broken. There it is.
So that's what you're thinking there, right up
Start
there.
here. Huh?
You're thinking about this one,
Yeah.
not over there.
No, I'm worried about this. Because it's literally coming right towards the house.
Uh-huh.
And if I try to cut it, it probably will hit it.
Oh, so you're thinking about doing little by little.
Sawing off the small stuff.
Okay.
You know, it isn't really big or anything, but you know, it would damage the gutters if it hit it. For sure. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Anyway. If this doesn't reach up there, I have bull float handles. Hear me?
Mm-hmm.
I have, or you know, the poles or whatever you call it. I have bull float poles that have that same thread. Pretty sure it's the same thread.
Mm-hmm.
So if this doesn't reach me up there, I'll just get one of them bull float poles, or a few of them. I'll use them instead of this thing. I'll just put them together, put them on the end. Of this. See what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
It'd look weird, but I think it'd work. See, look. I'm not going to pull it all the way out because that would probably break it. I'm just going to go part way. Let's see. Maybe like that. Back in a little. Extends even more than that. See? One more time. I'm going to try it. I don't know. I might have to get up on the ladder just to be able to reach. Or I could use some poles, but I'm thinking it might get awful heavy. They're aluminum, but it might take all day. It's probably the wrong route. The wrong route to use. This is probably just for like, really small stuff. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Like little skinny things like this. See?
Yeah.
Look how hard it is to do that. That ain't gonna work. I don't think this is going to do it. If it was a chainsaw on the end of this, that would do it. But not me doing this. That ain't gonna work. Is it still recording? All right.
It doesn't look to me like it would fall on the house.
You don't think so? It might just be an illusion. I don't know. Maybe it would just miss it. I'll put the ladder on the other side, and then I'll cut the stupid thing. Maybe I can cut a little bit out of this side, a little notch. But I'm not going to be able to do it once I get around the other side. I cut a notch in it, and then go around the other side, and then cut the back side. Alright, let me put this thing away. That was a waste of time. This would probably be good for smaller branches, and if you had a lot of time on your hands.
Mm-hmm.
I really seriously don't think you could actually go that high and cut even a 1-inch branch with it being that high in the air because it's too flimsy.
Mm-hmm.
Way too flimsy. It's a neat invention, but rock. You know, we like rocks, you know.
Mm-hmm.
That worked out really good though, didn't it?
Yeah.
As far as that one goes. I'm not going to cut it too much in because then I'll be in trouble. And I got to go around the other side. That's as much as I feel like comfortable doing.
Yeah.
I gotta get off here quick. I don't think it's gonna do anything, but you just never know. Oh wow, I almost stepped on a frog during the ladder.
Yep.
Aw, he's gray. Gray frog.
Put him over there somewhere.
I want to show the camera.
Oh.
I mean, you know, show who's there watching it. Ain't he pretty? He or she. Obviously, you don't know what it is, you know, but just say frog.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yep.
Showing up good?
Yeah.
He likes it on my hand. This guy didn't step on him.
Yeah.
Isn't that cute?
Mm-hmm. You don't jump off.
Yeah, I better go put him somewhere.
Yeah.
Enough show and tell.
Yeah.
Where do I go?
I don't know.
I just don't want him to get hurt.
I know it. He'll go somewhere.
Okay. I wanted him to be on 3.
I know.
He didn't want to be, so I guess it's his decision. So
Yeah.
he or she.
I'm not doing very good holding this.
Huh?
Not doing too good holding this.
Oh, really? You're okay. Just trying to wiggle too much, because
I know.
then people get dizzy.
Charge the battery pack.
Oh, really? You gotta be kidding me. I just charged it last night. There's something wrong with these batteries.